You want to grow on YouTube, right? Post consistently, go viral, build that brand, make that impact. But every time you go and hit publish, your stomach flips or your brain screams, what if they judge me? And suddenly you're rearranging your Canva thumbnail for the 16th time. But here's the truth. You don't need a better camera. You need to heal your fear of being seen. This one hits home for a lot of us. Now let me get comfortable for this talk. I'm new here. Well, kind of. I've tried YouTube for years, but I still feel brand new. Views are 0, subscribers also 0 or under 10. Yet I've been working in personal development and coaching for a long time. And even with all my tools, I realized something that hit me hard. I was scared, but not scared of YouTube, scared of being seen by strangers and by people from my past and my present, seen by folks who knew me before maybe things changed in my life, seen by my family who might roll their eyes, seen by strangers who might leave a nasty comment. And let's be real, fear of being seen is not just about YouTube. It's about worthiness. It's about believing you have a right to take up space. So I decided to take some time to figure it out for myself and for other creators with big ideas, but maybe low confidence and visibility. You see, you don't need to go viral. You need to go visible. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what I believe about our fear of being seen, which can manifest on YouTube, and I'm going to unpack it. So what the fear of being seen really is, where it comes from, how it holds your content and your confidence hostage, and how to start healing it so you can show up fully on screen and in your own life. So what is this fear of being seen? It's not just camera shyness or not liking your voice. It's deeper than that. It's a part of you that says, what if they laugh at me? Or what if I say the wrong thing? What if I'm too much or not enough? What if I try and I still fail? You see, that's your nervous system at play trying to protect you, because somewhere along the way, you learn that being visible also equates to being vulnerable. And vulnerable is not safe for some of us. Maybe you were the kid who got made fun of for raising your hand too much, or were you the teenager who got clowned for maybe your weird ideas, or are you the adult who gets ignored in meetings even when you speak up? So now when it's time to show your face on YouTube, that older inner alarm might go off. Even though you're safe now, your body still thinks you're in danger. So this is not laziness. This is a wound that we need to heal. And wounds need care. They don't need criticism. It's a little frustrating for me, right? You're doing the work. I'm doing the work. You've got the vision. I have the vision. I have my content calendar. I have my editing software. I've watched a number of tutorials. I listened to the experts and I've posted videos. But the channel, it's still not growing. And then I'm wondering, or you might be wondering, am I not cut out for this? Do I need maybe to change my lighting, or is my niche wrong? Or maybe you just need a miracle. And so what do? We do what everyone does. We search YouTube for more videos, how to grow your channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in 7 days. Like, been there, watched many of those videos. But again, here's the truth, or what I believe to be true. Growth doesn't happen that fast. Not the real kind of growth, not the kind that's rooted. Think about a flower. How long does it take from planting the seed to seeing it fully blossom? That's time. It's nurturing, showing up even when nothing is blooming yet. And you know what else I realized? That's not even the real issue, because sometimes it's not the algorithm, right? Everyone's talking about this algorithm. Algorithm is not necessarily against us. And maybe it's not because your content isn't good enough. Maybe it's because you're just holding yourself back. You're filtering yourself. Maybe you're shrinking your voice, or you're tiptoeing around your own truth. Not because you don't care, but because somewhere inside, you're still scared of being seen. And that's what's blocking your growth, not your strategy, but your self-protection. So now I want to talk about how we can start to fix that, right? So this is my comfy coach way to heal fear of being seen. Step 1, name the fear. It always starts with that, right? Name the fear. Say it out loud. I'm scared to be seen. I'm scared to be judged. Or I'm scared of failing publicly. When you name it, it loses its power. It's just happens. Avoiding the fear makes it scarier. Facing it gives you room to choose a new response. Try writing a visibility journal. Before each upload, take 5 quiet minutes and jot down, what am I afraid will happen? What part of me feels exposed? Or what would I say to a friend feeling this way? Now, don't just write it, rewrite it. And here's what this might look like. Fear. What if people from work see this and think I'm unprofessional? Reframe that in a way that reads like this. If someone judges me for sharing something meaningful, that says more about them than me. I'm showing up with purpose, and that's powerful. Fear number 2, I hate my voice, or I hate the way my voice sounds. I'll sound dumb or awkward. Reframe that. My voice is mine and the exact tone someone needs to hear today. Connection isn't about perfection. It's about truth. Fear number 3, I'm scared. I'll post this and no one will watch and I'll feel invisible. Reframe it. Visibility isn't just numbers, it's showing up for myself. Every post is proof that I believe in my voice, whether 3 people see it or 300. You can even say this out loud. I'm scared, but I'm still showing up. That's confidence, not the absence of fear, just a decision to keep going anyway. Number 2, start small, but you got to show up. Start with a short, raw video, maybe a voiceover if that's easier for you. Let your nervous system learn that nothing bad is going to happen when you're visible. My first video, I hated it. I absolutely hated it. I judged myself and I almost didn't post it. But I also then reminded myself that I can't grow if I'm hiding all the time. And step 3 is stop trying to be palatable, right? Watch my video on people pleasing. Fear of being seen often makes us shrink, talk nicely, dress appropriately, use all the right buzzwords. But here's another comfy truth. People connect with presence, not perfection. That means you, in your real voice, showing up with a shaky camera and a real heart is probably better than some polished version of someone else. And if someone judges you, that says everything about them and nothing about your worth. Number 4, speak to them, not them. Here's what I mean by that. Stop making content for everyone or for your high school class or your coworkers or that one mean cousin. Make it for the one person who needs your voice today. The person Googling, how do I find my confidence to speak up? Make the video for them. The person who's crying after the 10th video flopped. Or, that's your person. That's your why. Find that person and make the video for them. YouTube will become easier when you stop performing and start connecting. So if your channel isn't growing, ask yourself, is it strategy or is it fear? If it's fear, you're not alone. Join the club. I'm there with you. I'm walking through it right now, but every time I post, I'm proving to myself that I'm safe, that I'm allowed, and that I'm ready. And I believe that of you as well. So, of course, drop in the comments below what's one fear that's been holding you back from growing your YouTube channel. Let's talk about it without shame. There's no judgment here. And while you're there, if you so desire, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with another creator who needs the reminder. You don't need to go viral. You need to go visible.